This is Cooking with Belle, or shall we say Isabel, or shall we say Isabel? Continue.
Sophia?
Did you lose your voice? Are you sick? You sound quite sick. You still got your Shrek face on. Little green clumps of swamp life. Stuck to a little peach face.
Whoa.
Blending in with the wall like a
Take one.
What do I do with it?
You got, oh my gosh, you don't let that.
It's a pizza.
Don't you like live on your own?
Why don't we just put it on like a pizza? I have a slice of pizza, put pepperoni,
Yeah, I've
little
been doing it the wrong way.
right there. We roll it up, roll it up.
No.
And this is cooking.
No,
This is
no.
cooking. This is what they call cooking. Little sushi. And we have a little sushi roll with a little piece of hair on it. The hair is essential
You're
for the
big to
flavour.
small.
Alright, whatever you say. We'll have one messed up one.
Just like Mom had one messed up child.
No, it was Mitchell. Can we agree on that?
Yeah, we're all messed up in our own special way.
At least none of us are as bad as insert bad person here.
Insert bad person here. What?
You, Jonah Reed.
That's not my name. Call me Barry Von Rothstein.
No.